Welcome to another Baka commentary video. In this video, I'll explain my YouTube short of why I do not buy overclock variant of graphics card. To simply say, the factory overclock variant of graphics card is a scam and ripoff because the overclock variant of your graphics card is nothing more than a faster out-of-box profile that the factory applies, and that you can easily apply this yourself and save the money, and as well as the overclock graphic, you doing it yourself. If you know what you're doing, you can make it very specific to your graphics card. So, as I said in the introduction, you can save a lot of money by buying the non-overclocked variant of your graphics card. How do you apply the overclock profile of your graphics card? Go to your GPU overclocking software of your choice. You input those factory overclock numbers of your OC card variant. Voila, there you go. You literally now just got yourself the factory OC model of your graphics card by just simply getting a software, overclocking software, and literally pressing a button. I think for most people, this is worth the money you're saving. Man, majority of the time, those graphics card manufacturers, they're gonna be very generic with their OC profile. And I'm pretty sure 99% of the time, you're gonna be able to put that overclock profile on your non-OC card. As those OEMs and ODMs, they really want you to buy the OC badge, and they want to push as much OC badge as possible to push up their profit margin. You are just giving the company, those ODMs and OEM of your graphics card, more money for nothing. Okay, so now that you understand why you don't buy factory overclock card, what I do reckon is worth it if you're gonna put extra money is the custom PCB or the AIBs and OEMs that have upgraded the PCB from the reference design. However, majority of the time, you're not going to be able to benefit from the upgraded PCB from the reference, as some of the card will require you to use special software, or you use specific overclocking software. Again, you will have to learn that specific tool and use that specifically to get max out of that custom PCB. So what do I think? For majority of my channel viewers, I don't think you will see the benefit of buying a graphics card that has an upgraded PCB or fully custom PCB. Who do I think these custom PCB upgraded reference PCB for? They are for if you're gonna do a chill water, liquid cooling, liquid nitrogen, and liquid helium world record speed run, go ahead, buy these custom PCB upgraded reference cards. These is what really going to get you the world record. Is majority of you channel viewers are going for some world record computer speed? No, you're not. So I don't think it is really necessary for you guys to buy a custom PCB or even those fully custom PCBs. Graphics card, save your money, buy a reference PCB, buy a non-factory OC variant of the reference PCB with the best cooler of your choice. End of story. Anyway, I hope you come to this video and learnt some information why you should not buy factory OC graphics card and those expensive custom PCB and upgraded PCB. If you found this video useful, press the like and share the video so more people get to see this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.